The letter L makes the sound L. Put your tongue behind your teeth and let the sound flow. L, L, L. Lovely! Let's read some L words together. L, app, lap. L, egg, leg. L, ip, lip. L, ot, lot. L, ugh, lug. Now read with me. Lap, leg, lip, lot, lug. Excellent reading. Now let's read 2 words together. Lug, leg. Lap, lot. Great job! Your reading is getting stronger.